Welcome back. I'm Laura the lawyer gone temporary chef. Let's hope I can get back in the courtroom soon, guys. I'm kind of getting tired of chronic illness over here. Here are 3 of the fastest and most impressive recipes you can make in under 10 minutes to impress guests every single time. The last one literally takes 50 seconds. You don't believe me, huh? Watch. Did you know that stressed spelled backwards is desserts?
Look how easy this is. This is all the ingredients. Dark chocolate, flour, powdered sugar, walnuts, butter, raspberries, eggs. Done. Preheat the oven to 450. Melt the butter over low heat.
Butter makes everything better. Don't tell my dad, he's a health nut.
Now chop the chocolate while the butter melts. Doesn't this literally look like Willy Wonka's golden ticket, except it's silver?
But I want to go to Willy Wonka's chocolate factory.
Chop it all the way through.
Chop, chop, chop.
Once melted, add the chocolate to the butter and remove the whole thing from the heat. Stir until it's completely melted. While the chocolate is melting, combine 3 whole eggs and 3 egg yolks in a bowl and whisk. Now add powdered sugar and whisk. Now add the chocolate. Whisk the chocolate in. Now add flour and stir. Now divide the batter into the ramekins.
Okay, isn't the word ramekin like super weird? Now come with me to Italia to make panna cotta. I am your Italian grandmama, or nonna. Let me teach you. Panna cotta is an Italian dessert made with sweetened cream and thickened with gelatin.
Step 1. Sprinkle the gelatin over 3 tablespoons of cold water. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. In a saucepan, heat 1 cup heavy cream, half a cup milk, 1 tablespoon coffee powder, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1/4 cup sugar,
Sugar, sugar, do, 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 do. Ah, honey, honey.
Bring it to a boil until the sugar dissolves and then remove it from the heat. Add in our gelatin and whisk until the gelatin is dissolved. To make the syrup that goes over the panna cotta, heat 2 tablespoons of sugar and half a cup of coffee. Bring it to a boil until the sugar dissolves.
Mamma mia, this panna cotta is... Mwah. My hair kind of looks like a mushroom right now. We're going to make an Italian affogato. It's literally just vanilla ice cream served with hot espresso or a hot coffee on top. But it makes you sound all fancy and cultured when you tell your guests that you made an Italian dessert.
Brew your espresso or regular coffee and then spill. Done. Top it with the raspberry and walnuts.
You know, I would give up chocolate, but I'm not a quitter.